The Reformation brought division, not the early faith. The Catholic Church has substantial continuity with early Christian faith, as attested by early church writings. The Catholic Church uniquely connects to origins, as evidenced by apostolic succession, recognition of sacred tradition, and continuity of belief. If Protestantism restored the original faith, as claimed, major schisms and contradictory doctrines would not exist. The original faith should be clear. Instead, Protestantism fractured into contradictory branches. No single branch is objectively the one true faith. All interpret Scripture subjectively and have evolved over time. Denominations like Lutheranism, Calvinism, and Wesleyanism show this. Only Catholicism has continuity with the early Church. 1. Apostolic succession traces directly to Peter. Popes succeed him. This structure was present from earliest days. 2. Doctrines like the real presence in the Eucharist, the authority of tradition, and infant baptism date to the earliest non-scriptural writings. 3. Key church fathers, Ignatius, Irenaeus, Augustine, recognized hierarchical authority, tradition, and other Catholic beliefs. These beliefs endured for over a millennium. 4. Catholic recognized ecumenical councils, e.g. Nicaea, established core beliefs in the Trinity and Incarnation that remain largely unchanged. Catholicism preserves essentials of the faith once delivered to the saints, Jude 1 verse 3, through succession, patristics, and creeds. Evidence shows Catholicism's logical distinction from Protestant denominations rejecting succession or relying on Scripture alone. Catholicism's claim to continuity with the apostles deserves respect. Redefining terms like authority to mask contradictions is illogical. Contradictory doctrines can't both be true. Calling contradictions variations is illogical and evades the truth. While Protestantism may believe as it chooses, claims to be the sole, original faith are unproven, given schism and contradiction. The Catholic Church connects uniquely to Christian origins through historical evidence Protestantism lacks. Its case merits consideration as truest to early church origins and practice. If you like this content by Lloyd de Jong, you can read the full written articles on Ko-fi, where you can also support this work. Link in the description. Here on YouTube, please like, share, and subscribe.